Hello everybody, this is Maine Johnson with the City of Fayetteville Corporate Communications Team. I'm here with Ms. Shauna Haslam, Public Information Officer for the Public Services Department here in the City of Fayetteville, here to tell you about a really good event that's going to be taking place on March 15th. Shauna, tell us what's going on.
Absolutely. We're holding a public information workshop for the Mirror Lake community about the dam reconstruction. We will be covering the design of the dam. We're going to be unveiling some of the plans that have been drawn up so far and letting the public and the residents in that community see those designs and provide feedback for those designs and be able to talk with city staff and the engineering consultants.
Okay, now this may be a question that a lot of residents have. How is this being funded?
So the Mirror Lake Dam reconstruction is being funded by both the state and FEMA. So the city will be reimbursed by those two agencies for those funds.
Okay, and where will this event be taking place?
The event will be at the Van Story Hills Elementary School on March 15th from 6 to 8 p.m.
Good information, all right. If you guys have any questions, we'll put some more additional information in the post here, along with a link where you can get additional information about the event that's taking place. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.
Goodbye.